Hi everybody, here's an easy example to use to overcome Microsoft spill error when using the add feature in Excel. I've created a simple Excel spreadsheet and I'm just going to add some random numbers so we can add them together the way we normally do and actually see the spill happen. So we'd normally put equals and then put in our range. And then press enter. And immediately once we do that, we'll see these random numbers beneath the total that we've got. But an easy quick fix is to go back to our formula and edit it, and then change it and go sum, open brackets, put our range in again, which will be A1 to A3, close brackets, and press enter again, as I'm showing you, and spill error has disappeared. Please look out for my next video on how to remove a spill error from an if statement.